Hi, welcome to Once Upon a Word. I'm Mark. Today I'm going to talk about the word always. So always can mean on every occasion, forever, or very frequently. In these meanings we use it with the simple tense form. So, she always brings me chocolate when she comes to visit means on every occasion she visits, she brings chocolate. I will always love you means I will love you forever. Barry has always been called Baz by his family means Barry is very frequently called Baz by his family. We don't usually start sentences with always, and always usually goes between the subject and the verb. For instance, I always say hello to my neighbour, but my neighbour never says hello to me. Don't say, always I say hello to my neighbour. Say, I always say hello to my neighbour. However, you can start a sentence with always when it is a command or an instruction. For instance, always use a different password for every website you use. Okay, that's it today. Very short lesson. I'll see you again next time. Cheers.